probably do 75 to 80% of what I'm going to do every day.
My electrician would be using this to put his switches and receptacles in.
Versus my big drill for open areas, it's great. Areas where I need a little more touch on hinges, knobs, I think it's really nice.
It's light, small, it's handy. The handle's nice too.
It's got a good feel, and the torque is not overbearing and overpowerful, but it's got a nice touch to it.
I was putting the screws in the treads there. The handle's nice. I mean, for this, it'd be nice to use on everything.
I'd use this to put the cabinets together, especially for the smaller screws, you know, need a little more touch.
It's good for bulkhead work, trim crown molding.
Vanities, HVAC units, rooftops. When can I get one?